students, in my last video I have discussed with you about the topic types of maps. Today in this video I shall discuss with you about the topic components of map from the chapter map reading. So let us begin. What are the major components of a map? They are title, direction, distance or scale and legend. Look at this map very carefully, boys. Can you tell me something about the map? Not much really, isn't it? This is because this map does not show a very essential component, that is the title. What does the title of a map say? It always tells us about what kind of information the map will portray or depict. Here the title is Forest Area Cover of Top 10 States of India for the year 2013. Let us move on to the next component of a map, that is direction. Suppose you are a foreign traveler visiting India for the first time and you have no idea about the northern, southern, western and eastern part of India. All you have is this map to your disposal. So what do you do in such a situation? Which is that component that will guide you safely to your destination? It is always either a north line or a compass that shows all the four cardinal directions north, south, west and east with the help of capital letters N, S, W and E respectively. The third component of a map is scale. What is a scale? A scale is a ratio between distance on the map and corresponding distance on the ground. I repeat, a scale is a ratio between distance on the map and corresponding distance on the ground. In short, we may say scale is equal to map distance divided by ground distance. Let us take help of an easy example to understand the concept of scale. Suppose the distance between your house and your school is 10 kilometers on ground. When you measure it on a map with the help of a measuring scale, it appears to be 5 centimeters. As per the formula we learnt just now, scale is equal to map distance divided by ground distance, or 5 centimeters divided by 10 kilometers, or 1 centimeter divided by 2 kilometers. Thus, every 1 centimeter on the map will represent 2 kilometers on the ground. Types of map. There are types of scale. There are 3 types of scale. To begin with, we have verbal or statement scale, representative fraction, linear or graphical scale. The first type, verbal or statement scale. Here, the ratio between map distance and ground distance is expressed in words. For example, if the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers, it would be written as 1 centimeter on the map represents 10 kilometers on the ground. Representative fraction or RF. Here, the ratio between map distance and ground distance is always expressed as fraction where the numerator is always 1. If the scale is 1:50,000, it would mean 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the ground. Or if the scale is 1:25,000, it would mean 1 centimeter on the map represents 25,000 centimeters on the ground. This scale has got no particular unit, hence it is universally accepted and understood by all. We move on to the third type, linear or graphical scale. Here, the ratio between map distance and ground distance is represented graphically. Let us learn how to draw a linear scale. The scale given is 1 centimeter is equal to 500 kilometers. Let us first draw a straight line of any desired length and divide the line into primary divisions of 1 centimeter each. Remember, the first primary division will be subdivided into secondary division. Now, each primary division of 1 centimeter will represent 500 kilometers on the ground. We move on to the last but very important component, that is legend. Why do we need a legend? It is because it is not always possible to draw all the features on the earth's surface like mountains, hills, forests, settlements, railway track in its original shape and size on a map. A a map does not have so much space. So what do we do instead? We use certain conventional signs and symbols and colors which is universally accepted. This is known as legend. A legend is always present at the bottom of the map so that it can explain the meaning of different colors and signs that have been used in the map. Now we have come towards the end of the video. Let us quickly recapitulate all the components that we have done. To begin with, we first have the title of a map. Here the title shows that it is showing the literacy rate of map of India. Second important component is direction, which is shown either by a north line or a compass. Third component is a scale, which is a linear scale here. And the fourth component is a legend. Here in this legend, it shows what is the meaning of different shades of green color that has been used in the map. I hope you will find this video to be very useful. Stay at home and study well.